We are still on deck 16, and through these next doors is where the magic happens for me personally. We've got the main 2 swimming pools, lots of jacuzzis, and it's also where movies under the stars happen, with a massive big screen where you can cuddle up on a sun lounger with blankets and popcorn. So during the day there are snacks and hot dogs and other various food on the poolside. Now I am a true water baby, so if I go on holiday there needs to be a pool. But I also love the fact you've got this massive cinema screen. Princess also offer warm blankets for you to literally sit on the chairs with whilst you watch the cinema, and it's just so cozy. There is also an adult only pool on the ship, and not to mention loads of hot tubs, like they are everywhere. But for me, the pool and the sea, that is my true home. I am a total water baby.